There today I show you my pro painting Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. There is previously apply some result. This is the old image and our effect image, original image, and the direction like the marks area. Then play the script, and this is the result and color combination. You can change very easily. This is the another color combine. And we have attached the painting style, natural painting style in this photo, or you can use the realistic photo. That is totally depend of you. This is the another color combination, is very nice, and all layers are separate. See, it easily matches any type of photo. You can just play our script and change the color combination. This is the looking. So now see how to use it and custom it. First go my download file. There is show brush file, Helpfile. You can read the Helpfile, very important. There is some note written and our supporting information and the using process text, not text. Okay, first load the pattern, select or double click your mouse, then automatically load your Photoshop, or select brush, double click, it's loaded your Photoshop, or you can load manually. Go the Photoshop and the window brush section. Now brush plate is show any of place. Now you can go this option and input the brush and find out my download file, main file there, and there is show brush file. Select and load button, click. Now its brush is loaded. I can close it. Then go window and pattern option, click. Now pattern option show. Go there and the input pattern. Find out my download file. Go there and there is show only pattern. Select and load button, click. Now pattern is loaded. Okay, and go window, action option, click. Sorry, action option, click. Now action option show maybe right side or any of place. I have settled it left side for better showing purpose. Go there and the load action button, click, and find out my file. Select pro painting Photoshop action and load button, click. Now it's loaded. Up and down option, this is the last option. Loaded, my new loaded file is this one, the last option, and there is a name mentioned. This is the folder and this is the script, play all in on. Now I have opened a photo. Firstly I have opened this photo. See this photo, there is not enough space the top side or left side or right side, and our effect need to space to view the effect looking. So if you do not want this, you can just play brushing and play, or need to customize. So select the crop tool first. There is show crop tool and make some space first, the distance needed area, your focus point area, and back it. Okay, I think is perfect now, and move tool, click. Now it's set up. Make sure your photo is a lock background. The name is background and lock icon show. Do not use PNG transparent photo. If your photo is layer 0 PNG transparent, then action make the error message. You can do or follow this step. If your photo PNG transparent or layer 0 format like this one, you need to do this step. Right button, click your mouse in the layer panel of layer option, and fit and option there show, click there, and it's make automatically set the background layer set. Then go this option, the panel option, and check small this one, and entire document option, this one, and this one tick mark. All is tick mark. Make sure all this one, and as it is my setting. Okay, and make sure your photo is a RGB color mode. If not, then go image mode RGB, just click there. Okay, now I want to brushing my focus point, create a new layer. You can do first create a new layer and brush the layer focus point, or you can use shortcut option, quick selection tool. Select there, see the quick selection tool. If you select the quick selection tool, then there is the show select subject button. Click the select subject button, then your photo is auto focusing selection. Just wait, see this is now focus. And create a new layer and double click the new layer text option, type there BRUSS brush and click the other side blank space. Same my spelling BRUSS brush, do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma or uppercase letter or mix up letter, only lowercase, and this spelling is include our help file. Now I can fill it the pen, just click there the find out paint bucket tool, fill up this. If I fill up this, then there is the square option. See, this is the square option, so you need to fix it. So there is need to brushing because of the I do not need the whole area. Select the brush tool or select default general soft brush, and you can select any of light color. You can use any of color. Make sure you select the brush, and now you select the brush layer and selection mode is on. Now you can brushing. If the opacity is minus, you can fill up the 100% and brushing the area which area you need to focus. I do not need the overall area, so I like to like this one. This is the area, and this area now is perfect, I think, and fill up the white space. White, that means focus point. Okay, now it's ready to apply. And selection mode, if the photo is selection mode, then you can play the script. Then script make the error message. You need to first deselect the option, go selection mode and deselect first. And still if you show any of area mistake the brushing, so you can brush manually, and make sure you brush the brush layer, and brush layer is viewed, and I have brushed now brush layer the sum of area mistake. Okay, now I think is done. And image size, see there is the high resolution image working perfectly. So my video time saving purpose, I lays there 4500 pixel, or you can use any size of image. Okay, and hit the play button. I have select the select layer, select the brush layer, and now all in on play action play me, hit the play button. Now it's start working. Depending on your PC configuration, image resolution size, and we have set all layer are separate, and many color combination is include. You can combine the dual color combine, or single color combine, or you can very easily change the color by one click. This is the our finishing message. Hello, the action is done working. See the looking. And check out this one. There is the color combination. You can adjust the color there. And another option, this is the extra real brushing tone. color changing very easily. Double click, and this is the fade style. And another color combination like there. See, select and double click, and change, move it. Another one, the one color combine. This is the black color. If you want to, your photo is black, then select and move it. Now all is black, and now work there. Select the max point and brush tool. You can brush some of area. This is the extra looking. This max area and photo and view show. There is another supporting layer, and this one is another effect. You can uncheck this one or place the opacity. See the combination of effect, photo effect, and another one there is show. Select this one and select the max point and brush again. See, if I use this photo in blank space more, and photo size is 2500, and wait and see, and select on all in on apply. Now there is another result show. Just wait and see. Fully depend your image size. Now see it. The looking is totally different. Every material is big size looking. Select the max point and max sum of area. Okay, I think is good. Now I have show you another photo. Like this one. Not this one, just this one. Make some space. Change the image size 2500. Now use 2500. Quick selection mode, and already background layer, lock background layer, selection mode. Create a new layer and brush. And brush the again. I need to only portrait. You can use full of area. That is totally depend of you. Okay, and deselect. Hit the play button. Start working. Okay, this is the result. Color change you can adjust there. Adjustment is there in the brightness. Double click and you can control the brightness. This option, use this option. See the looking now. whitish, and another adjustment, another. You can try all of them. This is the extra color option. If I change the brushing style, adjustment style like my previous one, and move combination, dual combine. Now see, there is another looking, and hide this one, use this one, another looking, and hide this one. This is another looking. See, if you want to already I have painting style include there, and you need to the watercolor style like this one, and you can little need it, just opacity less. See, now show the little. Thanks for see this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our profile MRI Studio, and you can live chat with us, our Facebook fan page MRI Studio. Please rate this item if you like this item.